We are all building WhatsApp AI agents wrong. First of all, building an AI agent without a design plan is wrong. We build one agent, dump everything into it, and ask it to handle all the jobs. Sales, support, booking, operations, all at once. Do you think that works properly? Definitely no. Customers don't follow your script. They ask anything. They go in any direction. And your one agent is trying to handle all of it. It hallucinates, it misleads, it gets confused between contexts. Sometimes it gives a completely wrong answer. Not because AI is bad, because you asked one agent to know everything about your entire business. And the worst part? You didn't realize something was missing until a customer found it. So you go back, add more instructions, more content, more context, and more content means more money. Every conversation now consumes more tokens. Costs go up. This is what happens to almost everyone building AI agents today. And nobody talks about it. So what if I told you there is a proper way to build and design an AI agent? Think about it. Would you hire one employee and ask them to handle your entire business? Sales, support, bookings, complaints, all at once? You wouldn't. So why does your one WhatsApp AI agent work that way? What if instead you build micro agents, each one specialized in one specific job, easy to build and A/B test, each one carrying only the context it needs. And whenever a customer needs something different, they are passed to the right specialist. Automatically, that's a micro agent crew. And then I found Peach. Let me show you how they solved this. A live conversation between me and a micro agent crew. Let me show you this in action. We are going to chat with Grandora Hotels on WhatsApp and see how a micro agent crew handles the full journey. I just had a conversation with Aria, Grandora's sales agent. She helped me book 2 nights at the C-suite. The conversation was smooth, warm, and focused. No confusion, no wrong answers. Because Aria is only trained for one thing, sales. That's all she knows. That's all she does. Now let me ask about check-in. I type, thanks. What time is check-in and can I get an early check-in? And see what comes back. I asked one question. A completely different specialist answered. Kai introduced himself, picked up the context, and replied instantly. I didn't request a transfer. I didn't wait. It just happened. That is a smooth handoff. That's Kai. Pre-arrival specialist. His only job, everything before you arrive. Nothing outside that. Now I ask about checkout. Great. One more thing. What's the checkout process? And can I get a late checkout? And instantly, same thing. Different question. Different specialist. Maya introduced herself and answered immediately. No confusion. No repeated details. Just the right agent at the right moment. That's Maya. Checkout specialist. Her only job, everything at the end of your stay. Clean clothes. Every time. 3 different AI specialist agents, each a specialist in one job. And from my side, it felt like one conversation with one team that knew everything. That is a micro agent crew. Aria handled sales. Kai handled pre-arrival. Maya handled checkout. Each one specialized, each one focused. Together, the full customer journey automatically. Now let me quickly show you how to set this up for your business inside Peach. Setting this up in Peach is simple. Let me show you. I've already built 3 agents. Aria, Kai, and Maya, each separately. You can build them easily using Claude 2. I've linked that video in the description. Go check it out if you haven't built one yet. Open any agent. Go to settings, click system tools, enable handoff to AI agent, and that agent can now pass the customer to the next one automatically. Do this for every agent in the crew. In each agent's instructions, tell it when to hand off and who to pass to. 1 line per agent. That's all it takes. 3 agents, 3 jobs, 1 seamless experience for your customer. That is how you build a micro agent crew the right way. If you want to build this for your business, Peach is free to try. Link is in the description. Subscribe, we are building more of this. See you in the next one.